Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around the stunning brand new Audi A3 Black Edition Sportback S Tronic. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Arkona white, sure to turn heads on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm wide design making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you take a look around, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features such as a wide view of the navigation map, connection to your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders. This brand new Audi A3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.